Select the rectangle tool and make a small rectangle. Align the rectangle in the center. Select the Type tool and type your text. Use the Selection tool to make the text the same size as the rectangle. Go to Type. Create outlines. Press Alt and drag the text up to duplicate it. Select the Blend tool and select both the texts. Double-click on the Blend tool. Spacing, specified steps. Adjust the amount to your liking. Go to Object. Expand. Select the Selection tool. Press Alt and drag the text down. Rotate the text 180 degrees. You can delete the rectangle now. Select both the texts. Go to Edit. Copy. Then go to Edit. Paste in front. Rotate the texts. Only select the top text block. Go to Select. Start Global Edit. Select Free Transform. Perspective Distort. Adjust the perspective of the top text, everything else will change too. And that's how you create a text tunnel.